Use of some and any. A. In general, we use some in positive sentences and any in negative sentences. Examples. We bought some fruit. This is a positive sentence. 2. We didn't buy any fruit. This is a negative sentence. 3. I want something to eat. 4. I don't want anything to eat. We use any, anybody, anything, in the following sentences that give negative meaning. Examples. 1. I went out without any money. This sentence is positive but gives negative meaning. So here we use any. Likewise in the given sentence we also use any. 2. He refused to eat anything. 3. It's an easy test, hardly anybody fails. B. But in most questions, we use any. We don't know if the thing or person exists. Examples. 1. Do you have any luggage? Maybe you do, maybe not. 2. Is there anybody in the house? Maybe there is, maybe not. Next. We use some, somebody, something to talk about a person and thing that we know exists. Example. Are you waiting for somebody? I think you are waiting for somebody. C. We can use if plus any. Examples. 1. Let me know if you need anything. 2. If anyone has any question, I will be pleased to answer. D. We also use any with the meaning, it doesn't matter which. Examples. 1. You can take any bus to go there. 2. Come and see me anytime you like. 3. We forgot to lock the door. Anyone could have come in. E. Somebody, someone, anybody, anyone are used as singular words. Examples. 1. Somebody is here to see you. 2. Is there anybody in the house? E. Somebody, someone, anybody, anyone are used as singular words. But we use they, them, their after these words. 1. Someone has forgotten their mobile. 2. If anybody wants to leave early they can. Thanks for watching.